Not really trying to date right now. Still trying to figure my own life out. And I don't wanna love anybody else till I learn how to fall in love with myself. Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure, so how do I learn what I'm worth? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Ooh, how do I know I'm enough? How do I learn how to not care so much? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Posting it all up on Instagram isn't helping me figure out who I am. All these edited faces up on my screen, how come none of them really look like me? Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure, so how do I learn what I'm worth? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Ooh, how do I know I'm enough? How do I learn how to not care so much? How do I love myself? You speak your mind, but it's better when your body talks. Come here, boy, don't close your eyes. I'll show you heaven when my clothes come on. Push you closer to the bed, pull your shirt above your head. Keep it casual like we said it'd be. Cause you're thinking way too much. We're just doing this for fun, and you fall in love too easily. I don't love you, I just want your body. I don't need your feels and I'm not sorry. Stop thinking about us, start giving it up. Cause I don't love you, I just want your body. Won't stay the night, cause I'll end up getting bored of you. Love is just a waste of time, and I got too many things to do. So convince me with your lips, slide my dress over my hips. Show me you can give me what I need. Cause you're thinking way too much. We're just doing this for fun, and you're falling way too quick for me. I don't love you, I just want your body. I don't need your feels and I'm not sorry. Stop thinking about us, start giving it up. Cause I don't love you, I just want your body. Push you closer to the bed, pull your shirt above your head. Keep it casual like we said it'd be. I don't love you, I just want your body. I don't need your feels and I'm not sorry. Stop thinking about us, start giving it up. Cause I don't love you, I just
patience is wearing thin, holding on to that happy ending. It's time to choose the future of my new beginning. There's nothing to lose except the hope of a happy ending. I've made it to the crossroads, I'm not sure which path to take. Every ticking second is another step I have to make. Do I value what I love more than what I can give? Is my future really mine, or is it yours to live? I'm foolish for living in a constant state of oblivion. I'm foolish for believing that I have a choice. I'm foolish for thinking that I'm the one in a million. I'm foolish for believing I have a voice. I'm fighting fire with fire, but the further I fall, the flames keep climbing higher. Your patience is wearing thin, you might not get my happy ending. I'm still at the crossroads, haven't chosen which path to take. Every ticking second is another rule I have to break. Do I value what I love more than what I can give? Is my future really mine, or is it yours to live? I'm foolish for living in a constant state of oblivion. I'm foolish for believing that I have a choice. I'm foolish for thinking that I'm the one in a million. I'm foolish for believing I have a voice. Every word I write is another step towards failure. To be someone I'm not is like throwing myself into the flames. Every step I make is another reason to fall right back. 5, 4, 3, 2, one more step and I fall into oblivion. I'm foolish for being so naive. I'm foolish for giving you no time to breathe. I'm foolish for giving you a chance. I'm foolish for thinking you'd understand. I'm no longer at the crossroads, I've chosen which path to take. Every passing second is another choice I haven't made.